Good morning everyone and welcome to another video. We are in Budapest, Hungary and we are in a very nice Airbnb. It's snowing right now, by the way guys. Look at that. Whoa, snowing really heavily. So I guess no drone flights today because it's impossible to fly in this weather. But check out this Airbnb. Oh, it's a bit messy, sorry. But this is the living room with the sofa bed. So you can watch the TV and fall asleep. It's a really huge room and we got this for a really good deal. 2 nights for £69. Very, very cheap. And then this is the main master bedroom. Look at that. Yeah, Amalia looks upset. Oh, she's happy. And this is the bedroom. Wow. Amazing. Love it. And then let's check out the other parts. It's really huge, you see? Whoa! The hall is really huge and this is the bathroom. And this is, sorry, that's the toilet and this is the bathroom, the shower room, sorry. There's a bathtub, 2 sinks, that's really good if you're a couple. And yeah, shower head, the usual. And that's the kitchen with another dining table. So you have 2 places to dine. And that's Bari. Bari, say hello, good morning. 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 And you see the stove here. Bari is happy with the Dolce Gusto. Have you tried the Dolce Gusto? Yeah. Oh, is it good? Oh, they provided the capsule. Oh, so all you need to do is just put it in, right? Oh, yeah, then just... Oh, like that. Oh, okay. I'm very cutthroat. Yep. Very nice. And there's a lot of brochures and stuff that you can take here as well. The host is very nice. His name is Robert. He's a British guy that is living in Hungary. So yeah, time to go out and explore. So I have 1 layer, 2 layers, 3 layers. This is the down jacket layer, the most important layer. And then the last layer is the 4th layer. This is the windproof, waterproof, everything proof layer. Alright, we're ready. It's time to go.
Hey guys, this is a synagogue. This is the largest synagogue in Europe. The entrance is €12. We are quite cheap like that, so we're not gonna pay that €12 to enter. But you could if you want. If you can see the architecture, it's pretty much, I mean, it's very similar to the mosque, except that the tip of the dome or something, or the minaret, then you see the Star of David instead of the crescent. So it's really interesting.
And this place, this entire place where the synagogue is used to be also part of a huge ghetto during the Hungarian Nazi era. Now it's liberated and they built a synagogue in its place, which is nice. The other reason why we're not paying the €12 is also because this is also the birthplace of Theodor Herzl, which is the founder of political Zionism. So we're not sure whether the money goes to IDF, so yeah, that's something to consider when you're here. Be careful where you're spending your money. This one?
And this one? Goat cheese or no?
Camembert cheese?
Oh, camembert.
Oh, camembert cheese. Yes.
2.
Thank you.
Thank you. Guys, it's pretty cheap. Look at that, the caviar is only 328. That's equivalent to about €1. Total cost is about €6. Trying to try the caviar. Oh my god. The breakfast we had was so amazing, especially the caviar and the camembert cheese. After that, we went to check out St. Stephen's Basilica, arguably one of the most beautiful Roman Catholic basilica in Eastern Europe.
It is named in honor of Stephen, the first king of Hungary, whose mummified right hand is said to be housed in a container within the church. Creepy! This is the most important church building in Hungary, one of the most significant tourist attractions, and the third highest church in Hungary.
Wow guys, that has got to be one of the nicest church that I've ever been into. Second only to the Notre Dame in Paris. Beautiful, the architecture is amazing. You can also go up to the top of that bell tower over there. It costs about €2 per person, but I think we're not going to do that because we're going to climb up to one of the hills here which has a panorama of the entire city, so that's free and we love free things. One thing to note is that for men you need to take off your head cover because Paul mentioned in one of the letters that it's better for men to uncover their head and better for women to cover their head, but they're not enforcing that on women, so that's okay. But for men you need to uncover your head, so I was told to remove my cap, but that's the only thing. And you can put a donation of €1 before you enter the church. Yeah, very nice, very beautiful, amazing. And now we're walking towards the panoramic view. Are we walking towards the panoramic view?
We're going to the bridge first, cross
Yes.
the Danube.
Yeah.
After that, go to the castle where we can see, yes, the panorama of the Budapest.
What is the Danube? The Danube River.
Danube? Is it Danube?
I don't know. I don't know. It's Danube. Okay, so we're gonna do that. The bridge over the river will be one of the most iconic views of the city, right?
Probably, hopefully, I don't know. I don't know which part of the bridge that has that view. But yeah, we're always unprepared when it comes to city exploration, so we'll see how it goes.
Because we're mostly nature explorers and not city explorers, so yeah, forgive our noobness when it comes to city exploring, but hopefully we're gonna find something awesome today. And yeah, off to the Danube River. And now we're at the river. It's so beautiful, the bridge. Oh my god, it's amazing! And it looks even better in winter. Ta-da!
So Budapest is actually made up of Buda and Pest, which are the western and eastern sides of the city. And this bridge, which is called the Széchenyi Chain Bridge, connects both of them over the Danube River. It was opened in 1849 and it was the first permanent bridge across the Danube in Hungary. An interesting fact is that in 2001, a Hungarian stunt pilot, Peter Besenye, flew upside down under the bridges, and this has now become a standard maneuver in Red Bull air races today.
You can take the funicular up to the panoramic view, but we're cheap, so we're gonna just hike up because it's free. Hiking up is free. Just now the guy asked us whether we wanted to take the funicular. He said it's about €6 a person to go up and down, and then I told him we're very cheap, so we just want to climb because it's free. And then he just let us go. So that's how you respond to people that are haggling you for tickets. Okay, I think I'm switching to the Samsung S9 camera now because my other camera probably can't handle the snow too much. This phone is waterproof, so that's okay. Yeah, but you will see a significant drop in quality, sorry about that. I have no choice. So yeah, we're almost near the top and we can see glimpses of the castle at the top. And that's the eagle. Wow, okay. Not too long of a hike, yeah?
Yeah, it's just a stroll.
Yeah. Okay, wow, the Samsung S9 not bad huh, for quality. Just a bit too saturated in my opinion. Found a shelter right over here. Look at the snow guys, it's so heavy. Yeah, very nice. This is the top by the way, in case I didn't tell you earlier. So now we're still walking towards the Buda Palace, which contains the National Gallery. Hey guys, found a place where I can leave the camera. We're walking towards the town hall right now. Supposedly it's very nice. It's pretty cold. You probably saw some slow motion shots of me kicking the snowman. That was quite fun. Yeah, overall I like this place. It's a huge compound. Actually we thought the Buda Palace was the only place to visit, but apparently it's a huge, really huge compound. So let's go.
Wow, look guys, there's a free Wi-Fi.
Free Wi-Fi! Woo! Heaven when you're a traveler without internet connection. But we do, we have. Because right now there's already this One Europe thing, so our UK SIM card can be used all across Europe without roaming charges. Hooray! Thank the EU! Why are we exiting from the EU?
But once Brexit is finalized, then
Yeah, screw Brexit, guys. Screw Brexit. There's a lot of similarities between Budapest and London, and you can see the river that looks a bit like River Thames, and that's the Parliament building. So it's like the Houses of Parliament, the Big Ben. Yeah, similar, right? But wow, look at the snow, it's so beautiful, guys. Alright, that's it from adventure at the top. I think it's now time to go down and we're gonna look for lunch. I'm sure there's a lot of history to this place, but we do not know because we don't have a guide. So a free walking tour would be highly recommended here. We woke up a bit too late today, so probably free walking tour would have been not possible. But yeah, if you guys are here, look for the free walking tour. Oh, da, 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 da. The food is here. My goodness, look at that. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna try some of that grilled, no, fried potato. So good. And how about the fillet? Oh my god, look at that. And you thought it's the end of the meal? No, we still have dessert. And this is the famous sponge cake over here. It's a Hungarian special. And is that a sponge cake? Oh no.
this is a cheesecake, no?
No, this is chestnut pudding.
This is a chestnut pudding. Two really good desserts, both very traditional Hungarian. Time to eat. That was a very nice meal, and after the meal, the snow has stopped. So it's easier vlogging from now on again, and the weather is clearer right now, so you can see the Parliament building more clearly. So let's go there. So that was the metro just now. To take the public transport here is very easy. All you need to do is you can buy like this group ticket, which is 3,300 forint, right? And that is for maximum of 5 person in a group, and it's a 24-hour validity. So you can use this for unlimited amount of travel, which is quite cheap, 3,300 forint, and you can use it for up to 5 person in a group. Remember? And guys, check out the armed personnel. Who would dare mess with these guys? They look so tough and cool. And guys, this is the Parliament building up close. So beautiful, so grandeur. But the church we went to this morning is even more grandeur. But this is good. This is good. Ta -ta -ta -ta. Yeah, I dare you guys to throw a snowball at them. Not gonna happen, guys. Not gonna happen.
Later.
Whoa, guys, and now the city lights up at night and it looks even more spectacular than this morning. So beautiful. And we were there this morning, and now we're down here again, and this is how it looks like at night. So beautiful, guys.